All right, YouTube, we're back on this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport, and with the kind of that ticking noise we're getting from the back, and it's not really a sharp tick. It's a very, very slow, subtle sound. We've identified where the sound's coming from, and you know, and the differential back here when we turn, right? I'm going to try and get the phone a little closer in there because it may be fine. We're not sure. It looks like someone had been into the back end of this because the diff cover, well, for one, it had some pretty sketch gasket sealer that was used, and someone gorillaed the diff cover bolts down. You had to use a 2-foot breaker bar to get them off. And maybe this is normal. We're not sure. My son is saying that it's loud going down the road. So anyhow, that's where we're at with this. Maybe this helps somebody, help us figure out either that everything is okay or everything seems tight. And when I rock it back and forth, you know, there's going to be a little bit of play in the drive shaft. That's to be expected. But really no like fine metal shavings or anything like that in the cover or in the oil. So anyhow, that's where we're at. Anyone has an idea or some input on to help us out on this, we'd appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.